Do you want to know how much I made in a week with just 500 YouTube subscribers? Now, you may be saying to yourself, wait a minute, you have 169,000 subscribers. I'm talking about a brand new YouTube channel that I started in stealth a few days ago that has 500 or more subscribers, but I've made four figures on it already. I'm going to show you what I did so that you can copy me. First, I'm going to take you to the channel. The channel is called Your First 5K, and it's where I teach you how to make your first $5,000. It's the same name as my membership that I have, and my membership already had 1,400 members in it. But what happened was over the last few days, as I posted every day almost, and as people started to see it with YouTube's algorithm, I made $1,500. Now, you may be saying to yourself, wait a second, isn't it true that you can't make money from YouTube if you're not monetized yet? And doesn't it take 1,000 subscribers to become monetized? That's true. You do have to have 1,000 subscribers to be monetized fully and 4,000 watch hours. And I believe that's going to happen eventually. But I'm not chasing views and I'm not chasing subscribers. I'm making money with YouTube in a very different way. I'm sending people to my membership. My membership is called Your First 5K. It costs, hold on, Your First 5K. It costs $50 a year, and we have more than 1,600 members now. So a lot of people joined in the last 2 days because I've been talking about this framework that I'm teaching you right now. So what I did is I combined a very niche topic on YouTube, very specific amount that a lot of people don't teach about on YouTube. I took that and then I combined it with my membership, and people who watched it, many of them don't even know me from Adam, went to the membership that I linked to in the description of my YouTube channel and talked about a little bit on the videos. They signed up. They paid $50 a year to sign up, and 30 people signed up in the first 7 days. So that's $1,500 that I made. It was free to post on YouTube, and it cost me about $100 a month on school, although they now have a $9 a month plan. So that has been amazing, and it was just the beginning. Imagine if I do that every single week. That's 6,000 plus per month. And that's if it doesn't grow. The more videos I post, the more it will grow. Now, I just had this morning, I had this incredible live event. We're doing a 5 day challenge where I'm showing you how to go to $5,000 months with this framework. And we're on day two as the time I'm filming this, but depending on when you see it, it could be after that. The replay is available right now. If you go in the description below, you can go right into a 7 day free trial and watch the entire 5 days for free. Okay, so we had 300 live participants, 17,000 and a half total participant minutes. That's amazing. Now, just a day ago, we had 262, so it's growing, and we had 12,000 minutes watched. So this was a longer session, and we really went in. And the cool thing is the replay of it for day two is available right now. You can see the replay right now if you join. So it's like you didn't miss a beat. And we'll have all the days available for you, either live or the replay. And people, like the same amount of people who watched live are watching the replays. At least that's what happened the first couple. So that's really exciting. And this is what anybody can do. Anybody can do this. I want to show you what platform we're on. So we're on this platform called School, Skool. You may have heard about it. Let me know in the comments if you've heard about it before. If you already are on School, somebody else's school, or you have your own. And last year I won the school games, which was a contest where the people who made the most money on their school won. I first earned it as an affiliate, And then shortly after, I earned $200,000 a few weeks later. And then after that, I've earned more than $500,000 on school. So this experiment that I'm doing with the brand new channel is to show you that anybody can do it. You don't have to have 169,000 subscribers or whatever number I'm at when you see this on this main channel. You can start a new one. And guess what? I could start another one tomorrow and another one and another one. As long as I have it as a niche YouTube channel where I'm teaching people and showing people something, going right into that $9 a month school membership. It costs me $9 to host it, and it's going to cost the person $9 to be part of it. That's the key to it. $9 a month or $50 a year. That's the key. Most people do other amounts. So if you already have a free membership, you can turn it into this, or you can keep your free membership if it's working well for you, because you can actually upsell on a free membership. I teach that a lot. Inside of your first 5K membership, which is where the 5-day challenge is, inside of the classroom, I teach you so much about YouTube. We have a YouTube accelerator in there and about all sorts of other things, and you get the full replay. So you could go in there with your 7-day free trial and get a ton of information before deciding. And then if you decide to stay, it's just $50. Most people stay. My churn rate, meaning the people who leave, is 2.5%. So for every 200 people, 5 people leave. For every 40 people, 1 person leaves. The rest stay. 39 people stay. So you're going to fall in love with this, I'm pretty sure. And come check it out for yourself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm going to be looking through all the comments and welcoming you in. I made $1,500 without ever being monetized on YouTube. When I start to get monetized, which will be in a few weeks, hopefully, I'll probably make something like $500 to $1,000 per month starting out. And then I'll see how that grows, because that's usually what you can count on is like 200, 500, 1,000. Someone who's in my Arlan's All Access membership had her first month was $600, and it paid a full bill for her. It was so, so cool, just for posting for free. You post for free, they pay you after 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Anybody can do this. There were 300 people in that chat who went crazy. They couldn't believe what I taught them just in that 90 minutes. So you're going to walk away with this with so much. Not only are you going to walk away with information, but I gave out bonuses during the live session that you get in the replay. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to be left out of this. This is something that could change everything for you. And it's not hard to do. I can't wait to see you inside of your first 5K. The description below gives you the link.